Hi all. Today we'll check how to fix door frame of a residential building. Okay, here we can see first thing is you need to fix the level. That means using level tube. Okay, you need to fix the levels. Okay, at the top we can check the level of the door at the top. Okay, if you want, you can check at other location also. Here in this image, okay, we are checking levels at the top of the door frame. Okay, these two levels. Okay, using here we are using the level tube. Okay, both levels should be correct. Okay, so then only the door frame is will be at a proper water level. Okay, here here we are checking at another level also. Okay, we have fixed the point 2 points. Okay, we'll check will once again the check the level of a door. Okay, next task will be plumb. Okay, whether it is in plumb or not. Okay, here it is a plumb bob we are using. Okay, exact plumb should be there. Okay, on either direction. When you check the level, okay, one side it will be exactly in a plumb. Next one will be the plumb at the vertical side. Okay, that is outer face will be checked with the plumb. Okay, here we are checking the outer face of a door frame using plumb. Okay, apart from that, when the door is made ready, okay, you can check the diagonals of a door to ensure it's a proper dimension. Okay, here we are checking plumb also. Okay, if it is okay, then no need to worry. One is first one is the level and second one is plumb. These are the two major important things. Okay, here once if it is okay, here you can see the hole fast. Okay, we'll place hole fast. Okay, and lay the concrete.